guys, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a very easy song to play here from MEEK called Don't Give Up on Me. So it's only 3 chords or grips and goes round and round. And let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. So let's go right into the chords. It's based upon the F sharp minor, A, and D. So let's start with the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord here, so you place a bar on the 2nd fret over all strings like that. And then it's actually enough to just add the 4th fret on A. That's what you need. So that's the grip. The next chord is A, and for this one I will suggest you just place a bar on the 2nd fret still, but from the D string and down. So only 4 strings from bottom up like this on the 2nd fret. That's enough for this chord in this specific song. And then we have the D left, and for this you can hold a little bit odd grip for being a D, but that's very suited here for this song. So the grip looks like this. So it's a 5th on E, 5th on A, and 4th on D. Alright, so there you have it. F sharp, A, and the D. Alright, so what you're gonna do here for F sharp, it's this. So I'm using my thumb here, and I hit the first 2 strings here in the bass, the E and A, together like this. And then I answer with the 2nd fret G string, which I have barred here with my finger. So this one, I have it barred like this. So that's the F sharp. And then comes a longer break there, and then comes the A and D. And the A, starting first with A, it's this bar here. So I'm doing the same thing here when it comes to the bass here. This time it's the A and D string. So like this, using my thumb to hit the strings, going like down, right? So A and D together, and then I answer on the 2nd fret B string, which I have barred. Okay, so that's the A. And then we use the same principle for the next chord, the D. So you're going on thumb down on the E and the A string, like this, and then you answer on the 4th fret D string. All right, so that's it. The rhythm or the tempo more is like this. Okay, so it's a longer break after F sharp, and then comes A and D a little bit more together there. And that's what's happening in this song from MEEK called Don't Give Up on Me. Told you it was very easy. These 3 chords goes round and round. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope to see you soon, and play tuned.